Namaste friends, welcome back to the Sarthi Technology. In this video we will learn how to create broadcast receiver for Android P2P intents. The Android system notifies us about events of Wi-Fi using broadcast, and that is the main reason we are creating the broadcast receiver. So these are the intents that we will use for this broadcast. So first is Wi-Fi P2P state change action. This intent indicates that whether the Wi-Fi P2P is enabled or disabled. So whenever the state will change, this intent will notify us about the current status. And the second is Wi-Fi P2P peers changed action. This intent indicates that the available peer list has changed. So whenever our peer list will be changed, we can get the new list using this intent. The third is Wi-Fi P2P connection changed action. So whenever the connection will be changed, we can get the state using this intent. And the last is Wi-Fi P2P this device changed action. So this indicates the device configuration detail have changed. For example, the name of the device will change. We can know using this intent. Okay. So to create the broadcast receiver, first we will create a class that is Wi-Fi direct broadcast receiver. You can choose any name. So in this example, we are just using Wi-Fi direct broadcast receiver and extend this using broadcast receiver. And in this class, we will use three objects. One is Wi-Fi P2P manager. Second is Wi-Fi P2P manager dot channel, and the third is the activity that we are using. So in my case, this is the main activity. Okay, so we will talk about these two later on this video, so don't worry. And in the constructor we will initialize both three using the parameters. So here you can see Wi-Fi P2P manager object, Wi-Fi P2P manager dot channel object, and main activity. So initialize both three using these three. Okay, after that, in the on receive we will do some stuff. So for that, let's move to the next slide. In the on receive, first we will create an object of string that is action in this example, and initialize this using this intent dot get action. Now we have action, and we can check the current action using this intent dot action. So here, if Wi-Fi P2P manager dot Wi-Fi P2P state changed action is equal to this action. So here we will do some stuff. Same else, if the action will be this Wi-Fi P2P peer change action, we will do some stuff here. Same, if the action will be this Wi-Fi P2P connection changed, we will do it here, and same for next. Okay. So after that we will come back to the main activity, and in the main activity, first we will create an object of Wi-Fi P2P manager, and here initialize this manager using this get system service, and here context dot Wi-Fi P2P service. This Wi-Fi P2P manager class provides the API for managing Wi-Fi P2P connectivity. So all the things that we will do regarding the Wi-Fi P2P, we will use this manager. Okay. Same, the channel. So the channel that connects the application to the Wi-Fi P2P framework. Most P2P operations require a channel as an argument. So here we will create another object that is Wi-Fi P2P manager dot channel, and initialize using this manager dot initialize and provide three parameters. The first is context, that is this in this case. The second is looper, so we will provide get main looper, and third is listener. So we don't need to go too deeper in this channel, and that's why I'm giving a short description. So just you can copy paste this line, and if you want to learn more, then you can follow the documentation of Android developer site. Now after that, we will create an object of broadcast receiver and initialize that using the Wi-Fi direct broadcast receiver, the same class that we have created for the broadcast, and provide both three, the M manager, M channel, and the main activity. After that, create intent filter object and initialize using this new intent filter and add all four actions. So this M intent filter dot add action, and here Wi-Fi P2P manager dot Wi-Fi P2P state change action. Same, the other action is Wi-Fi P2P peer change action. The next is Wi-Fi P2P connection change action, and the last is this device change action. So now we have the broadcast receiver and the intent filter, and using these two we can register and unregister the receiver. And for that, to register the broadcast, we will use on receive, and here register receiver, M receiver and M intent filter. The same for unregister, we will use on pause and unregister the receiver, M receiver. So friends, this was the theory. Let's do the practical and continue our project that we are developing from last few videos. So friends, this is the same project that we are using from last few videos. So for now, right click, new and Java class, and name it Wi-Fi direct broadcast receiver, and superclass is broadcast receiver. Click OK, press Alt Enter, and implement methods on receive. Now outside the on receive, first create both three objects. So first is private Wi-Fi P2P manager, M manager. Second is Wi-Fi P2P manager dot channel, and M channel. The third is our main activity. Okay, this is the main activity. So main activity M activity. Now in the constructor public Wi-Fi direct broadcast receiver, and here the first is Wi-Fi P2P manager and manager, comma Wi-Fi P2P manager dot channel m channel, comma main activity m activity. Okay, and here this dot m manager equal to m manager, this dot m channel equal to m channel, this dot m activity m activity. So now we have all the three objects, and in the on receive, first we will create an object of string, that is string action equal to this intent dot get action, and here if Wi-Fi P2P manager dot Wi-Fi P2P state changed action dot equals action do something, and before that else if Wi-Fi P2P manager dot Wi-Fi P2P peers changed action, Wi-Fi P2P peers changed action dot equals action do something else if Wi-Fi P2P manager dot Wi-Fi P2P connection changed action dot equals action else if Wi-Fi P2P manager dot Wi-Fi P2P this device changed action dot equals action Okay, so this is enough for this class. Let's come back to the main activity. And in the main activity, first create object of Wi-Fi P2P manager. And manager. The second object is Wi-Fi P2P manager dot channel and channel. And in the initial work, manager equal to get system service, and here context dot Wi-Fi P2P service. Press Alt Enter and cast to Android.net.Wi-Fi P2P manager. Same for the channel. Channel equal to manager dot initialize, and the first argument is this. The second is get main looper, and the third is null. So we have now the Wi-Fi P2P manager object and the channel. Now create two more objects. One is broadcast receiver and another is intent filter. Broadcast receiver, receiver. Intent filter, intent filter, and initialize both in the initial work. So broadcast receiver equal to new Wi-Fi direct broadcast receiver, and the first is manager, so manager. The second is channel, and the third is this. Okay. Now for the intent filter, intent filter equal to new intent filter. Now let's add the actions. So intent filter dot add action, and Wi-Fi P2P manager dot Wi-Fi P2P state change action. Wi-Fi P2P state changed action. Same for next. Now we have the intent filter and the broadcast receiver. So let's register and unregister the receiver, and for that, here outside the initial work, press Ctrl O and type on resume. On resume. Okay. On resume. Here you can see on resume. Okay. And here after the super, register receiver, and the receiver name is M receiver, comma, intent filter is M intent filter. Same for the unregister. Again press Ctrl O. On PAUSE, on pause, press enter, and after the super, unregister receiver, M receiver. So the broadcast receiver work has been done. Now again come to this Wi-Fi direct broadcast receiver and use the first intent, and for that create an object of int state and initialize it using intent dot get int extra, and here Wi-Fi P2P manager dot extra Wi-Fi state, comma, the default value is -1. So either we will have the value of this state or -1. Okay, now we have the state of the Wi-Fi in this state. So first we will check if state equal to Wi-Fi P2P manager dot Wi-Fi P2P state enabled. Okay, so if the Wi-Fi is enabled, we will use toast, and here the context, comma, Wi-Fi is on, comma, and short show, else, just copy this, paste, and Wi-Fi is off. So we have used the first intent, and if the status of the Wi-Fi will change, we can get the current status using this intent, and here we will check if the state is equal to the Wi-Fi P2P state enabled, then the toast will show Wi-Fi is on, else the toast will show Wi-Fi is off. So let's try to run this. So friends, you can see the app is running, and click on this button and Wi-Fi P2P is trying to turn on Wi-Fi. So allow, and you can see Wi-Fi is on, and when we will press again, you can see Wi-Fi is off. So friends, this is enough for this video. In this video we have learned how to create the broadcast for the Wi-Fi P2P. In the next video, we will continue our discussion. So please like this video and also please subscribe this channel. See you in the next. Till then, bye.